Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove account warning on TikTok. So first of all, we will go into the TikTok mobile application. So just click on that, and after that on bottom, click on profile. Okay. And here you will see on the top right corner three lines. Just click on that. Okay. And after that, click on setting and privacy. Scroll it down, and you will see an option in support and about. Just click on report a problem, and it will take some time to open it up. And after it will get open, just click on account and profile. And after that, you have to click on profile page and just scroll it down, and the best option that you have to choose is others, because this could be the best option for this issue, because this warning is basically issued by a bot, not by a human. So sometimes it happened mistakenly by the bot, so you can just report this problem and a human will check your account and it will ultimately fix your problem. So just click on no and just click on need more help, and after that it will open it up, and here you have to write, well, I have basically wrote it earlier, so you have to write, I have got an warning in my TikTok account, but I feel like this warning is wrongfully to my account. Please have a look in this issue. Okay, and let me just correct my spelling. And after that you have to click on setting, and this message will get sent through TikTok service. Okay, and human will review an account, and after that if you find that you have uploaded something that is not violating their rules and regulation, he will just remove that warning on your TikTok account. Okay, so this is it guys, I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any issue just comment in this video down below, and like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Goodbye, take care.